Hi, um, Namaste, and this is Raj. And today I was thinking about this word, and the word, as they say in the beginning, there was one word, and the word was Om. Om is the word, the beginning and the end. If one tries to understand this whole theory of evolution, and if one tries to understand that we in quantum physics, as they say, is nothing but the vibration of a sound. So, if we can really understand that no matter what we want to do, no matter what is the emotional quotient that we want to change, what is it that we want to achieve, and what is it that we want to transcend and scale up, it is all depends on the sound, and that sound is Om. For that's the start of all and the end of all. If you can really understand this, then you could well make this statement that in the beginning there was this sound, and the sound was Om. For me, this line of thinking, which is now supported by scientific theory, that we are nothing but, or rather matter is nothing but this sound and the vibration of that sound. If one could really get deep into this and start working on how one can change one vibration and thereby the emotions, or change the emotions and thereby the vibration, and achieve what one wants to achieve: name, fame, peace, love, joy, happiness, contentment, all in the sound Om. For me, this is what I call the path to liberation. Play big, get liberated.